Hello everyone and welcome back to Glow Up. Are you ready to glow up? Let's get started. How to look fresh and clean all day. Have you ever wondered how to maintain that fresh and clean look all day long? You start your day looking and feeling great, but by midday, you're feeling a little less than fresh. Staying crisp is the key. If you have a neat, clean and fresh appearance, it'll make other people think more of you. It'll even make you feel better about yourself. Taking care of yourself can make all the difference when you're trying to land a job or impress someone. It doesn't matter how attractive you are, you'll improve your chances of being noticed and making a good impression. In today's video, we've got an epic video lined up for you all about keeping that fresh and clean vibe 24/7. We're dishing out the ultimate guide packed with skincare hacks, makeup tricks, and lifestyle tips to keep you looking on point all day long. Plus, we're spilling the beans on the absolute must-haves you need in your bag to stay fresh and fabulous no matter what life throws at you. So, grab your snacks and let's dive right in. Tip number 1, style your hair. When your hair looks good, it gives off the impression that you've taken the time to take care of yourself. People tend to see someone with styled hair as someone who is put together and confident. Plus, when your hair stays in place throughout the day, it helps maintain that fresh and clean look. Get a blowout every now and then to make your hair look good. Even if you're wearing jeans and t-shirt and have very little or no makeup on, you'll look put together. Tip number 2, do your nails. Well-maintained nails can enhance your overall appearance and give off a polished and put-together vibe. Plus, having neat nails can boost confidence and make you feel more presentable. Avoid nails designs that are distracting or clash with your outfit or personal style. Instead, opt for timeless or subtle designs that complement your natural beauty and convey elegance. Tip number 3, take care of your skin. Taking care of your skin is essential for maintaining a fresh and clean appearance. When you keep your skin clean and healthy, it can help prevent things like acne, oiliness, or dryness, which can make you look less fresh. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain a youthful appearance and feel confident in your skin. Tip number 4, smile more. When you smile, it lights up your face and gives off positive energy. It can make you appear more approachable, friendly, and confident. Plus, smiling is contagious, so when you smile at others, they're more likely to smile back, creating a positive interaction. Overall, smiling not only enhances your appearance but also improves your mood and the mood of those around you. So, go ahead and let those pearly whites shine. Tip number 1, start with clean hair. Before you can style your hair, it's important to start with clean hair. This means washing your hair with a suitable shampoo and conditioner. Choose a shampoo that is appropriate for your hair type and scalp condition. If you have oily hair, opt for a clarifying shampoo to remove excess oil and buildup. For dry hair, use a moisturizing shampoo to hydrate and nourish your strands. Once you've washed your hair, apply a conditioner to keep it soft and manageable. Massage the conditioner into your hair and scalp, focusing on the ends to prevent split ends and breakage. Tip number 2, keep your hairstyle minimal. A simple, well-groomed hairstyle tends to require less maintenance and is less prone to becoming disheveled or messy as the day goes on. Minimalist hairstyles often involve clean lines, neat edges, and minimal product usage, which can help maintain a polished appearance for longer periods. Here are some hairstyle ideas to help you look clean and keep you stay fresh all day. Low messy bun. To perfect the look, loosely gather hair at the nape of your neck. Pull out a few face-framing strands of hair and give them a slight curl to keep them in place. Half up, half down. Starting at your ears, drag your thumbs up diagonally until they meet and secure with a vibrant scrunchie or subtle elastic. Space buns. The secret to looking good in space buns is finding exactly what type of style works for you. Also, braiding pigtails and wrapping them around into buns can create a funky look. Braids. There are many ways to pull off romantic braids, such as loose look. You can also try chunky braids with side-swept bangs. High ponytail. Keep it super sleek and position the elastic on top of your head for added lift. Letting down some hair around your face makes the look more casual. Classic low ponytail. This chic hairstyle is perfect for when you have to be fancy but don't feel like putting into much effort. Part hair in the center and tightly secure at the nape of the neck with an elastic, then accessorize with statement earrings. Gather up those stray strands and secure them with a gentle tie. Then, form a neat circular shape and tuck those remaining hairs right in at the crown. Tip number 1. Use light, natural makeup. Heavy makeup can sometimes feel like it's weighing you down or make your skin appear tired after several hours of wear. Opting for lighter makeup can provide a more breathable feel and allow your skin to breathe, reducing the likelihood of clogged pores or breakouts. It also tends to require less touch-ups throughout the day, which can be convenient for maintaining your appearance without constant reapplication. Tip number 2. Makeup should never be caked on. Bare Minerals or any other mineral cover-up is perfect for a fresh-faced look, but don't cover your whole face, only the parts where you have any blemishes or dark circles. A little brown eyeliner and light mascara is enough makeup. If you must use a little blush on the cheeks, it is up to you. Avoid excessive amounts of products that would only settle in the wrong places and look cakey. Tip number 3. Use a facial spray. Facial sprays can indeed help you feel refreshed throughout the day, especially in dry or hot environments. They can provide a quick burst of hydration, help set makeup, and offer a revitalizing sensation. Ingredients like rose water, aloe vera, or hyaluronic acid are often included in facial sprays, providing moisturizing and soothing benefits. However, they may not necessarily keep you looking clean in the sense of removing dirt or oil buildup. For that, you'd still want to rely on a proper cleansing routine. But for a quick pick-me-up or to combat midday dryness, facial sprays can be quite effective. Tip number 4. Carry a blotting papers with you. Blotting papers can definitely help keep your skin looking fresh and clean throughout the day, especially if you have oily skin. They're designed to absorb excess oil without disturbing your makeup, helping to mattify your complexion and prevent that shiny or greasy appearance. Just a quick dab with blotting paper can help refresh your look and remove any excess oil buildup, leaving you with a smoother, more polished appearance. Tip number 1. Wear breathable fabrics. Wearing breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, or moisture-wicking materials can help keep you feeling fresh throughout the day by allowing air circulation and absorbing sweat. Loose-fitting clothing can also promote airflow and prevent sweat buildup. Also, choose a light-colored clothing because it will reflect sunlight and heat, helping you stay cool. Consider wearing layers so you can adjust your clothing based on changes in temperature throughout the day. Tip number 2. Avoid wearing black colors. Black color tends to absorb more sunlight and heat compared to lighter colors. This can make you feel hotter and less comfortable, especially in sunny or warm environments. And it can make your sweat stains more noticeable, which may be undesirable if you're concerned about maintaining a clean and presentable appearance. Tip number 3. Opt for crisp white shirt. A classic white button-down shirt always looks clean and sophisticated, and it enhances your appearance and give off a clean and fresh vibe. Its simplicity and brightness can make you look polished and put together in various settings, whether it's a formal occasion or a casual outing. Plus, white tends to complement all skin tones and can easily be paired with different colors and accessories, making it a versatile wardrobe staple. Tip number 4. Stick to neutral colors. Stick to a palette of neutral colors like white, beige, gray, and navy blue. These colors tend to convey simplicity, sophistication, and cleanliness, which can be appealing in clothing, interior design, and other aesthetic choices. And they're easy to pair with other colors, allowing for flexibility in styling while maintaining a cohesive and polished look. Tip number 5. Opt for minimal accessories. Keep accessories minimal and opt for understated pieces like stud earrings, delicate necklaces, and simple watches. Avoid excessive jewelry or overly flashy items. This will help create a timeless and elegant look that complements your overall style without overpowering it. It allows your natural beauty and personality to take center stage, while still adding a touch of sophistication and refinement to your ensemble. Tip number 6. Clean footwear. Choose footwear that complements your outfit and looks well maintained. Classic options like ballet flats, loafers, or clean sneakers can complete your clean girl look. Tip number 1. Be aware of your body odor. If you shower and wash your hair regularly, then this shouldn't be much of a problem. But it's important to use deodorant or antiperspirant to ensure you smell lovely. Tip number 2. Use a refreshing cologne. When you smell good, it can give the impression that you take care of yourself and pay attention to hygiene, which is important for feeling fresh and clean. But remember, a little goes a long way. Too much fragrance can be overwhelming and might not smell as nice. So, use it sparingly to enhance your overall vibe without overpowering everyone around you. Tip number 3. Use a body mist in a clean scent. Using a clean scented body mist can definitely contribute to feeling fresh and clean throughout the day. The light fragrance can help mask any unpleasant odors and provide a subtle, refreshing scent that can boost your mood and confidence. Tip number 4. Shower every night or morning. Use a fresh, clean scented body wash and not anything too musky or overpowering. Make sure to wash your hair thoroughly and use a lightweight shampoo that best suits your hair type. Condition 3 to 4 times a week so your hair does not get oily. Afterwards, brush your hair with a wide tooth comb so you don't split your hair. Avoid using a lot of products in your hair. It can make your hair look greasy and even oily. Tip number 5. Use a good body lotion after shower. Using a good body lotion after showering can definitely help you look and feel fresh and clean. It helps to lock in moisture, preventing dryness and flakiness, and can leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Many body lotions have pleasant scents that can enhance your overall freshness. Tip number 1. Go to bed early and get enough sleep. If you don't get enough sleep or you stay up late too often, you're not giving your body enough time to recharge. Just like when your phone battery gets low, your body can start to show signs of tiredness and stress. Your skin might look dull, you might get dark circles under your eyes, and your complexion might not look as bright. Plus, not getting enough sleep can affect your mood and energy levels, making you feel grumpy and sluggish during the day. So, it's important to try to get enough sleep each night to keep both your body and your appearance feeling fresh and healthy. Tip number 2. Hydrate. Getting enough water will make your skin look more plump and young, and that little boring trick works immediately. Just like a plant needs water to stay healthy and vibrant, your body needs water to keep everything running smoothly. When you drink enough water and stay hydrated, it helps to flush out toxins from your body and keeps your skin cells plump and hydrated. This can make your skin look brighter and more radiant, like a well-watered plant. Plus, staying hydrated helps to maintain the elasticity of your skin, which can prevent dryness and wrinkles. Tip number 3. Brush your teeth and floss daily. If you have bad breath and food in your teeth, there is no way you are going to look clean. If you don't have braces, use a whitening toothpaste. Brush after breakfast, after lunch, and before you go to sleep. If you're in school, eat your lunch and go to the bathroom and brush your teeth with a travel-sized toothbrush and mini toothpaste tube. Floss every day and use a bacteria-killing mouthwash. If you have braces, food particles can get stuck more easily, so pay extra attention to cleaning around the brackets and wires using interdental brushes. These small brushes can help clean between the wires and brackets where regular toothbrushes might not reach as effectively. Tip number 4. Eat healthy. When you eat a balanced diet, it not only affects your appearance but also your energy levels and overall well-being. Feeling good on the inside can reflect positively on the outside, making you appear more vibrant and fresh. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback in the comments below.